I'll turn it on. Morning, guys. Oh wait, shoes. Shit. Sorry. Uh-oh, the alarm. I'm vlogging. Okay, let's go. Hello. Babe. Don't look grumpy.
I'm not grumpy.
People would be like, Dan is so grumpy all the time. You're not grumpy. You woke up happy today. I was not gonna vlog. Pero sabi ni Dan, you should vlog. I'm vlogging! We will go to Brunelli's. We will have breakfast. And then we will go to Kmart. And look how sunny, you guys. Weather looks really, really good. Oops. Tingnan nyo. Perfect. Woo. How are you, Malam?
Good.
Good.
From Frozen or something, or from somewhere?
Yeah, that's Olaf. Merong Olaf dun. They're having a party. It's a great day to have a party. Olaf! Si Olaf! You're an Olaf as well, babe.
Thanks, so.
You're so what? Olaf. We had a birthday party as well yesterday, and it was really good because the weather was really good. We went to the park. Right, babe?
It was a great day.
Yeah, it was a great day. Today's a great day as well. So I'm wearing just this black long dress, and then I'm just wearing a cardigan kasi baka naman lumamig bigla. But yeah, it's a great day. I'm wearing my shoes from AMI Clubwear, my slides. What are you getting?
Extended.
Okay. I don't know what I'm getting. Food is here. I got Maria's favorite eggs with bread. And then Dan got the King's Choice.
Yeah.
King's Choice. Yum, kain. It's cold. Pinapasok ako ni Dan dito. Ah, it's cold. Open it. Alam niya ayaw ko dito kasi sobrang lamig. We would get vodka cruiser.
Where's the receipt then?
I'm gonna get drunk. This. Let's go. Where are we going after?
I don't know.
We went to Kohl's already at saka Kmart. And then sa chemist, nagpunta rin kami sa chemist. Hello, babe! Oh my gosh! Danny? Crap. Babe, did you hear me? I got a faulty one. I didn't check. It's my bad. Look it.
Does it matter? We'll keep the receipt. We'll go back there another day. I'll go back there today.
It's a bummer. I'll get the receipt. I got this from the reject shop for I think $2 lang. And yeah, lagay ko siya dyan lang. And then yung pineapple, and then Nice. And I got this as well from Reject Shop. No, not Reject Shop. Dun sa malapit sa Chemist Warehouse. Katabi lang siya. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan ng shop. Pero merong 3 roses dyan. Fake rose. Inano pa niya, nirap pa niya talaga kahit na peke naman. And then, my seller simple na cleansing wipes were 50% off sa Kohl's. So I got 2. Kasi malapit na maubos yung green lang, yung original niya, malapit na maubos. And yung original din, actually, lahat ng simple products sa Kohl's, 50% off. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan. And then I got these from Reject Shop. Kasi kailangan ko ng 5. Like, 5 maliliit. Pero I got 4 kasi yung isa malaki. And equivalent siya ng 2 maliliit. Yung size niya equivalent ng 2 maliliit. Kaya lang yung isa, nakakainis yung isa, sira. So, ito na lang yung kulang ko. Ilalagay ko siya sa filming room ko. Dun sa makeup drawer ko. Sa vanity ko. And nalinis ko na din yung dito. Pero hindi pa ako tapos. Pero it's looking way better. Yan. Nilinis ko siya kagabi. Pero again, hindi pa ako tapos. Like, hindi ko pa siya na-design. Parang naligpit ko lang yung hindi na siya. Kasi wala na yung dito. Okay na siya. Siguro gagawa ako ng room tour. Pero 5 na lang na ganito yung kulang ko. So, malapit na talaga siya. Kaya lang yung isa fail. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan yung mapapalitan na dan. Pero okay lang. Kasalanan ko din kasi. Hindi ko kasi chinek. Yung malaki chinek ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi ko chinek yung maliit. Tanga-tangahan lang, besh.
Okay, I'm vlogging.
Hello. We're going to Clarendale. It's like Dan said, maybe it's 40 minutes away. So we've been on the road for how many minutes now?
10.
10? Okay. So
Yes. No, longer.
okay. Yeah, and we don't really exactly know where we're going. Dito kami sa Oliver. What is this here?
Maxwell.
Sa Maxwell? Maxwell.
Maxwell wines.
Ang ganda ng view, guys, oh. We'll go have some wine. Hindi ako nag-makeup. Dito kami sa Maxwell. Nag-taste kami na isang wine. Pero isa lang. Kasi magdadrive pa kami pa uwi. Tingnan nyo to dito, guys. Meron akong pakita sa inyo. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan, pero ang lalaki, oh. Maybe that's where they make the wine? Not sure. Meron pa din sa labas.
Great to protect the
Kids? Ah. Immigrants?
Yeah.
Punta kami sa wildlife sanctuary. Oh, I see a kangaroo. Is that a kangaroo?
Let's see.
There.
Yeah, it's a kangaroo.
We don't have food for you. Hello? Hello? That's it. That's their wildlife. Nothing much.
You got emu.
Are you talking?
No.
No, I'm not talking at all. Okay, where are we going now?
No. Here you go, babe. You can do your.
You should start talking. If you're gonna vlog, you should start talking. Right, guys? I can't see you. Hindi nakaano yung ano ko. Screen, wait. Dito kami sa Serafino. Serafino. We will go to wine tasting 10 to 4:30 p.m. So perfect timing. It's only, I think, maybe 3:20.
Oh, you'll have some of that as well.
Yeah.
How much is this one?
18. Well, the sweetest of our whites is the Moscato.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Did you have a wedding here yesterday?
Yes, yeah, most weekends there's weddings.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So there was a wedding and we also had the glamping. The tent's still up.
I saw the portable loo. That's the main thing you had something
No,
here.
so yeah, we had a wedding next door, but then we've got glamping tents. So those big felt tents, the canvassy ones. Oh no, they're quite hippie style.
Oh, okay.
Tents. And yeah, they deck it out with all bedding and stuff. So yeah, they have dinner and breakfast and camp out on the lawn.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's good.
Did you have to book for that or?
yeah. So this is the Grenache rosé.
Ah,
Thank you.
thank you.
No, you won't like it.
Nah.
You won't like it.
No.
What is that, Shiraz?
Sure is.
Ah, that.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't like it.
She didn't like it.
No.
I knew she wouldn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, how are you going?
They have that big bottle.
Which one's this one? Oh, you've gone to red.
Do you like that one?
Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. Not loving it.
It's really nice in here. We're heading off. We got wine, right? We got the Moscato, and then we're going to one more place before we go. Before we go home. Ouch, back. Yeah, sobrang ganda dito. Look at. Meron silang lake doon, and then they have glamping here as well. She mentioned.
What's glamping?
So it's kind of like a glam camping.
Oh, like camping thing.
Yeah. So.
That would have been pretty good actually.
Yeah, right? Do you wanna go there?
Yeah, we can go over. Yeah.
Oh, babe, we can take pictures there. I like the trees. Sobrang ganda kasi ng weather. Ayaw naman magstay sa bahay kasi sobrang ganda ng weather. So sabi namin, punta tayo somewhere. Hindi Kasi baka, next week they have one rainy day. Is that right? You told me that yesterday. Next week? Oh, watch out, babe. Poop, poop, poop. That's a big poop.
Like probably a big
A dog?
duck or nah.
A doggy? Ano, o awa?
That'd be
Ganda
good.
ng lake, oh. Yeah. Ganda ng view. Oh, eh. So guwapo, oh, this guy. Over. You look so good, babe.
Thank you.
Babe, tell them where we are.
Sydney.
Babe, please.
We are.
What?
We're.
We're Tirang niya pronounce Wira Vineyard. We'll have some wine tasting here. The view is really nice.
You can pop some gin in that Moscato and it kind of dries it down a little bit.
I don't like gin.
What time do you close your wine tasting?
By 5.
Okay.
I don't even know what time.
No, it's not even 4 o'clock yet. It's alright. Cool. Do you like this better than the other one?
Yeah, that is actually a good one. Do you think?
Yeah, that's better than the other one.
Yeah, right?
Do you like how much grapes would be?
Yeah. Oh, please do not climb or sit on railing, but we can go down there if we want.
Got a picture here, babe?
I will take a picture of you. That looks good. How about your job?
I drive. Derek lives in the country. He drives. I drive.
Yeah. This is not bad. Like, yeah, I can live here.
I live where, sort of where Sterling, we got married around there.
Yeah? Sure.
Yeah, you say that now.
As long as there's not much trees around, then I'm fine. I feel like if there's a lot of trees, there's snakes. Especially if there's a lake, there's definitely a snake. Not a one snake. He wants to live in a country. It's nice, and houses are not bad as well, right? Prices wise, it's not as expensive.
Not much difference.
Oh, really?
Nah, it's only when you live really far away.
Okay.
I would want to live really far away.
It's not. This one is far. Like, what, an hour away from home?
Yeah, but from the city it's not that far. From work, how long does it take us? Not that long, really.
Yeah, if you have a car. I'm not gonna take a bus from here to the city.
Yeah, take a bus.
No. Unless you drop me off.
Oh, yeah, take a bus.
Poor me. I take the car, you take a bus, lady. Should we go? I need to pee.
Pee here.
Right now? Right here?
Yeah.
Right here.
There's another taste of Moscato as well.
You want another Moscato?
Yeah.
The same Moscato? Okay. Are you sure? You're driving.
Yeah, alright.
See, if there's water like that, I just feel like
I love it when
there's gonna be...
I could live somewhere like this.
Wait, let me show you guys. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If there's a water that looks like that, there's gonna be snake. For sure. See? No way. See? Ganyan yung mga nakikita ko sa anaconda. See? Ganito yun. No way. Okay. Let's go back to wine tasting. Let's taste some wine. May sasakyan. I wanna take a picture there. So, nandun sa loob yung wira-wira. Dun sa loob. And, pinark lang namin yung sasakyan dito sa labas. Dyan. Kasi, I wanna take a picture here. That looks really cool. Like, this is cool. See? Okay. Picture tayo, babe. Ang ganda dito, oh. Nice. Ang ganda ng weather today. Sana ganito lagi. Ako picture si Dan. Hey, vlogger! Hey, where are we going? Hey, doggy! Hello! Hi! Ito yung mga gusto na Dan, mga antique. A chair?
The rings? You don't really like it.
Will it fit me?
No, your fingers
Find something that will fit me.
Your fingers are too big. None of these will fit you.
Nothing?
That one maybe.
Nope.
No, too
big.
Like an old scale.
Yeah.
Like how old is that?
Aw, the doggy's so cute. He's just there.
That is cool.
He's not even tied up. Ah, this is you. The doggy. Bye. The cactuses are so cute.
I like the cactuses the best.
Yeah. Now let's get one.
You want that one or that one here?
Champion face?
I think champion face is better one.
Yeah, okay, let's get that. I like that. Look at this. An old soul or something. Yeah.
Where would this go in the house, babe? What are you thinking?
Not sure. Where do you want to put it?
Sure.
You decide. I'll have you decide on that one. That cactus. Maybe put it on your bed. On your side. On your side of the bed so you can't sleep. Pauwi na kami. Babe, your belly. Suck it in. Pauwi na kami, guys. Punta siguro kami kina Kat. Nag-text si Kat kanina. Sabi niya nagpapansit daw sila. So I think we will go. And maybe we'll bring the Moscato that we got from the winery. I'll text her. Dito kami kina Kat. Inano ko lang yung lip tint ko. Really fresh yung lip tint. Dumiretso na kami kina Kat. Kasi kapag umuwi pa kami, wala na. Hindi ko na alam. Pakagabihin pa kami. Pag ano. So yeah, nalala namin yung Moscato. Magpapansit daw si Kat. Yammers. Go knock on the door, babe. Knock, knock, knock. Baby, baby, baby. Over. Over sa makanak. Ang ganda ng lighting ah. Lighting is so good. Did they hear you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a loud knock. Knock again. No? Meron kaming, what did we get then? Apple pie. Hello! Dito kami kinakain. Daddy!
Kain!
Nagpansit si Christina.
Hello!
Tingnan nyo naman. Ang dami.
Isang barangay daw yung...
Yum. Tapos may pa-lemon. Oh. Nice.
May pa-candlelight.
Oh, may pa... char!
Char! Ano yung...
May pa... may pa-candle.
Wine night?
Ah, oo. Nilagay namin sa freezer. Kasi warm yung ano namin, binili namin eh. Nandito sa ano. Umiinom ka, Tin? Ah. Oo. Ano yan? Sweet na wine. Moscato. We're home. Ilalagay namin yung cactus where? Where are we gonna put the cactus?
In your butt.
Babe. Oh, somewhere here. Here, babe.
No.
There?
really?
No? Hindi niya alam kung saan niya maglalagay. Sabi niya either kitchen bench or by the TV or kitchen table.
Oh.
Not on the table. Why? Why? Hello, babe. No, you did that. You did that. Kanina, nung pag ano niya.
Uh-oh.
Na, tsaka na yung cactus. Yari. Hello, babe, you ruined it. Do you want me to do it? I'll help you. You gotta clean that part. No, it's crooked. Put it on the center. Put it sa tunga, babe. Sa tunga! Can you just move the cut? Yeah, you can.
You have to replant it though.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh my gosh, the cactus. Okay. Babe said, oi. You gotta clean it, babe. Such a fail. Kanina kasi, sabi ko ako na lang. Tingnan mo. Nagmadali siya, kinuha niya kanina sa ano bag. You did good. Okay. Now, we still have some left here. Do you want me to do it? I think I should do it. Okay, where are we putting it, babe? Where are we putting the champion face? By that plant? Nah. Looks so chocolate. Oh, it's alright actually. Aww. Look at you. Sige, dyan ka. Cute. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ako babalik sa mood mag-edit. I'm pretty sure okay na when you're watching this kasi na-upload ko na to, but as of now hindi ko pa alam kasi I'm working Monday to Wednesday. We'll see. But that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Don't forget